In this video, I'll show you how to fork a repository on GitHub. First, open your web browser, go to GitHub, and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, open the repository you want to fork. Next, click the Fork button in the top right corner of the repository page. If you have access to multiple accounts or organizations, choose where you want to create the fork. Now, review the repository name and settings. You can keep the default name or change it if you'd like. Then click Create Fork to create your own copy of the repository. After that, wait a few moments while GitHub creates the fork. Once the process is complete, you'll be taken to your own copy of the repository. From here, you can make changes without affecting the original project. Finally, if you want to work with the repository on your computer, click the Code button, copy the repository URL, and clone your fork using Git. When you're ready, you can push your changes to your fork and open a pull request to contribute them back to the original repository. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to fork a repository on GitHub. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.